In this video, we are going to look at how to use the left, mid, and right functions in Excel. The left function is used to extract the leftmost figure or data in a text or in a number. For example, if I want to extract part of this data, bracket 312, I can use the left function to extract only that part of this number, because that bracket 312 close bracket is on the leftmost part of this number. So I'll type equals to followed by the left function, press the tab key on your keyboard to accept it and to open the bracket. Then what you want to do is to click on the text you want to examine. That's, you can see the first option here is text. Click on this cell, that's the A4 cell, followed by a comma. Then the next thing here is the number of characters. The number of characters that you need from this number is the bracket. The opening bracket is the first, that's number 1. Number 3 here is the second character. 1 is the third character. 2 is the fourth character, and the closing bracket is the 5th character. So I want the first 5 characters. Close your bracket and press enter. So then you can use the autofill handle to get the rest. You just drag down or just simply double click on this to get the rest of the first set of numbers on the left. Now to get the middle one, let me go to the right first. To get the right, the numbers by the right, for example, you want to extract 7890 alone from this set of numbers. You use the right function in Excel. Press equals to on your keyboard, type right, press the tab key, then click on the text you want to examine, that's this number, followed by a comma. Then you want the number of characters from the right. You want to extract 1, 2, 3, 4, the first or the last 4 characters from the right. So press 4 and close your bracket. You don't need to close the bracket, just press enter to get the last 4 digits. Then double click on this autofill handle to get the rest of the last 4 digits. Now to get this middle digits, this 3 middle digits, use the mid function. So anytime you want to get the middle part of a number or text, use the middle figure. Press equals to, press MID on your keyboard, press the tab key, then click the text you want to examine, this one, followed by a comma. Now you can see the mid function has 2 more parameters, unlike the left and right function. You start with the start number, the start num. The start number is the number you want to start from when counting the middle number. So I want to start from the bracket is the first character, that's 1, 3 is 2, 1 is the third, 2 is the fourth character, this closing bracket is the 5th character. Space is also a character in Excel, so the space there is the 6th character. So I want to start from the 7th character. The 7th character is number 4, so press 7, then comma, number of characters from that 7th character. How many digits do you want from that 7th character? I want 3 digits. I want 4, 5 and 6, so 3 digits after that 7th character is what I want, inclusive of that 7th character. So press 3, close your bracket and press enter. So that will give you the middle figures in the set of numbers. You can double click on this autofill symbol to get the rest of the middle numbers. So that's how to use left, mid and right functions in Excel.